Hey guys, and welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. So today we're doing Leetcode problem 739, which is daily temperatures. So given an array of integers called temperatures, which represents the daily temperatures, return an array called answer, such that answer at index I is the number of days you have to wait after the ith day to get a warmer temperature. And in case there is no future day for which this is possible, keep the answer at index I is equal to 0. Right, so we can see here for the first day where the temperature was 73, we only had to wait one more day to get a warmer temperature. Right, so we just keep 1 there. For 75, we have to wait 4 more days to get a warmer temperature to 76. Right, so the way that we're going to be doing this is we're going to have a stack which stores the index of our temperatures value, right? So we store I, okay? And if the stack is empty or the current value is less than the previous value, we will add the current value to the stack. Alright, so first things first, let's get a integer array of answers. So int array of answers is going to equal to new int array, and this array is going to be the length of temperatures. Right, now let's initialize a stack. Let's call it stack. Just new stack. Right, so what we're doing here is basically maintaining a monotonic decreasing stack. Right, and what that means is that our stack is going to be in decreasing order. Right, so this is a strictly monotonic decreasing stack because there are no equal values as well. If it was this, then this would not be a strictly monotonic stack. It would just be a monotonic decreasing stack. Right? So let's loop through temperatures. So for int, let's call it current day equals 0, and current day less than temperatures dot length and current day increments. So what we're going to want to do here is make sure that this condition is met. All right. So what does that mean? That means that while the stack is not empty, right, and the value of integers at current day is greater than temperatures at the index at the top of our stack. While this is happening, we pop the value from our stack. So we're getting the previous day value from our stack, right? So let's just call it prev day. And our answers array is going to equal to current day minus previous day. Our answer at previous day is going to equal to current day minus our previous day, because this is just the indexes that we're storing in these integers. And say, for example, if our stack is empty or this condition is not met, then we know that we have not found a warmer temperature, this is basically to signify that we found a warmer temperature. Okay. So if we haven't found a warmer temperature, or if the stack is empty, we will just add to our stack, right? And here, just return answer. So let me just explain this a little bit more. So when our current value is greater than the top of our stack, which is a previous value, we know that for that previous value, we have found the day to get a warmer temperature, right? So in our first iteration, which is 73, our stack is going to be empty. So we're going to add 73 to our stack. But instead of adding 73, we're going to add its index, which is 0, right? So when we get to the second iteration of 74, because we know that 74 is greater than 73, which is returning true for this condition, and our stack is also not empty because the index of 73 is there, our answer for index 0, 73, is going to be the index of current day minus that previous day, which is 1 minus 0, right? Index of 74, which is 1, and index of the previous day, which is 0. And it's going to be the answer for our previous day because we're finding a warmer temperature in the future, right? And similarly for 75, these temperatures, obviously these temperatures are not greater than 75, right? So these are just going to keep on getting added to the stack, and then once we find 76, right, first we're going to know that at the top of our stack is 72, right? So the index of 72 is what's going to be taken into our previous day. Okay, so there's only a difference of 1. So 6 minus 5 is 1. That's why there is a 1 there. Okay, then similarly, for 69, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Actually, sorry. Once we are iterating through this, right? So after 69, we're going to add 72. And because our stack is a monotonic decreasing stack, we know that 72 cannot be in our stack, right? So it's going to eliminate from our stack. So we're going to pop 72, and we're also going to take the value of 69. That's why it's going to be 1 here, and that's why it's going to be 2 here, because our index is 3 at 71 and 5 at 72, right? So this is going to be popped, this is going to be popped, and because 72 is not greater than 75, it is still monotonically decreasing, so that is fine. 76 is going to be greater than 72, so we're going to do the operation on that, so it's just going to be 1, and then 76 is obviously going to be operated by 75. 6 minus 2 is 4, right? So that was that. Sorry, what? Oh. I just got these stupid mistakes. Yeah, that is fine. So if you guys are still having some confusion, I'd suggest going onto a Java compiler and just running this code, and instead of after adding the stack, just print what is being added. So do like the system out print ln current day, and before popping it also do the same thing. So that will show you at each iteration what exactly is happening in the stack. Alright, so that was Leetcode problem 739. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for more.